life. Once you apply this wisdom, that means 7 rituals on daily basis, you can change your life mentally, emotionally, physically and spiritually. That means your life will be more productive and more enjoyable, because each and everyone's aim is to enjoy their. The first ritual is the ritual of practice. Focus what you want to achieve. Invest your 70 to 80% energy on that, and practice makes a man perfect, not only the knowledge. For example, you are reading so many books of yoga, that means you cannot be healthy unless until you do the yoga. Similarly, if you are studying very much swimming books, you cannot swim unless until you go into the water. Don't try to be multitasking. That don't try to be multitasking. Focus your energy at one point. Work is important, not only the knowledge. And always search for the room for the better improvement. That means self improvement. Don't try to improve others. First of all, improve yourself on the daily basis. The second ritual is physicality. That means you have to care your good health, because health is the wealth. Then mind, and third one is the soul. To breathe properly is to live properly. First is the your health. The first and foremost priority is your health. Live fast, die young. That is the today's lifestyle. Just avoid all these kind of foods. Take foods like this one. Take your gym, run or walk. Right attitude, right mindset, right foods, right supplements and right exercise makes your healthy lifestyles. It prevents you to make any disease. So if you want to live properly, make such kind of rituals in your day to day. The next is the self leadership. Take responsibility. Just don't try to take credit. Take the responsibility. Lead in your life with your own self. Don't don't lose your decision. Don't lose your temper. Always take responsibility. Take bold decision. Take responsibility, not authority. Self potential. You are having too much self potential. Believe it. Always maintain your own dignity, discipline and decorum. That I say HODME, honest, optimistic, dedicated man for everything. That means you have to lead for yourself and break your own record. Don't hesitate to lead. Ritual is the ritual of balance. You have to make balance of your professional life, passion, family life, relation, social and professional network, because network is very important. If you have no network, you cannot lead in your life, especially in the market. For example, if you want to fulfill your passion, take time from your profession and fulfill, and it would be more better if you make your passion as a profession. Be always satisfied, but always strive for better and better improvement. There is always room for improvement. Always mind one thing: the altitude of your life, the latitude of your life depends on your attitude, not aptitude. The ritual is the ritual of abundant knowledge, because knowledge enhance your skill. Read literature, get trained to enhance your career. Be very simple, and must you have to have the listening ability, because God has given one mouth to speak but two ears to listen. So you must have to have the listening power and be soft spoken, because words have too much power. It may maintain your relation or may break. So always judge what are you going to speak. This is the ritual of personal reflection. Laughing is the medicine for your soul. Always laugh. Keep smiling. Don't regret what you have done. Just embrace it. Take experience because pain is the great teacher of your life. How to make personal reflection? It is a powerful habit that you will need to practice daily and daily, because problems are part of the life. You have to learn from it. Once you start smiling, many of the problems go away. Live consciously. Expand your mind, expand your relation, expand your ability by getting training and your self knowledge. Get meditation so your health and brain and your soul will be automatically connected. And the most important is the ritual of love. Love what you do. Love what you do. Love what you do. Do what you love and what you do. That means if you want to get success, you must have to have the interest in that work. Love, must love, but love yourself first. You must have to have your self love. Life with purpose. Your life should have a meaning, and the society should get by your own love. Never be aggressive. Always be very polite and simple. That is the primary step of the love. Don't try to take or expect from others that someone will love you. Just love from your own side. The best gift what you give your child is the love. Get to know them again. Show them that they are more important to you than the fleeting towards of your professional career. Pretty soon they will be off building lives and families of their own. Then it will be too late. The time will be gone. So enjoy each and every moment wherever you can enjoy, because the first step and last step of the love is the enjoyment. These are the 7 rituals that you can practice daily basis. Keep smiling. Thank you very much.